Welcome to the instructional video for Spreadsheet 2, Topic 1.2.2, Hiding, Unhiding, and Arranging Workbooks. So this is the workbook, the entire spreadsheet. Across the bottom we see the tabs for the different sheets, which we can rename. We don't always need to keep them as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so forth. But sometimes when you get a complicated spreadsheet, you want to have a lot of calculations in there that you don't necessarily want to clutter up your view. So what you can do is do all the work here. Maybe on an ugly page, or maybe just on a tab that you don't want other people messing with. And you can then hide that sheet. So now we see Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 4. Sheet 3 is no longer visible. So we have hidden that sheet from view. It could still be referenced in formulas. So here I have made formulas on Sheet 4 that refer back to Sheet 3, and here we have that phrase ugly work that was typed on Sheet 3. To bring it back into the View menu, you have hidden sheets and it will give you a list of them. So that 1 in brackets tells us one sheet is hidden. Now the hidden sheets is grayed out, there's no number. If we hide 2 sheets, now there are 2 hidden sheets, which we can show one at a time. Now, sometimes we don't want to hide it, but we want to spend most of our time on a couple of sheets. For example, for the school report cards, I've got spreadsheets with every student in high school, and there's one sheet that has all the grades pulled in from other spreadsheets. I want to move that sheet from student to student as I'm working. And I do it as you can see here. I can just drag that sheet left and right, and we see that it can be dropped in wherever we want it to be. So this is how we hide, unhide, and rearrange the sheets.